Welcome to Supply Chain 101, a beginner's guide. Supply chain is the process of getting a product from the manufacturer to the customer. It includes all the steps from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product. There are four main components of the supply chain: planning, sourcing, making, and delivering. First comes planning, where demand and supply are analyzed, and a plan is prepared accordingly. Sourcing refers to the process of finding raw materials and suppliers for the manufacturing process. Making includes the actual production process, where raw materials are transformed into the final product. Finally, delivering means getting the product to the final customer. An efficient supply chain can lead to cost savings, better customer service, and faster delivery times. Some of the key players in the supply chain include suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and customers. Each player has a specific role to play in the supply chain and needs to work together for the process to work smoothly. Thanks for watching Supply Chain 101, a beginner's guide. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.